In survival situations, fuel is one of your most precious resources. Learning how to cook with minimal fuel not only conserves energy but ensures that you and your family stay nourished even when resources are scarce. First, let's talk about fuel-efficient stoves. Portable rocket stoves, solar ovens, and alcohol stoves are all excellent for prepping. They're lightweight, require minimal fuel, and are easy to use. One-pot meals are the key to conserving fuel. By cooking everything in a single pot, you reduce cooking time and fuel usage. Soups, stews, and rice dishes are perfect examples of meals that require little fuel and offer big energy returns. If you're in a sunny area, a solar oven is a fantastic no-fuel option. It's eco-friendly and can cook most meals just as effectively as traditional methods, without needing electricity or fuel. Another tip is to pre-soak grains and legumes. Pre-soaking cuts cooking time in half, saving both fuel and time in an emergency. By practicing fuel-efficient cooking, you can conserve vital resources while keeping your family fed. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our iSurvive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.